listening goodness knows.
I want to help you. I do. I know what's going on here has to be really, really complicated.
We're here to stop the end of the world.
I can work with that.
Load up.
I've been waiting for you.
Terminator Genesis in PG-13.
Now available on Dish Cinema.
Hey, we're the Property Brothers here with rockstar baker Duff Goldman to show you how Dish is the wise choice. It's holiday season!
When Dish is sweet, everyday price, you've got one more reason to celebrate.
And more money to Dish Ball!
If the neighbors had stuck with Dish, they could have given their home more holiday sparkle.
Dish is the best value. Say, the food introductory offers! Elf, stop beating the roof. So good, though. Give me another one.
All new Holiday Baking Championship, Sunday nights at 9.
On Food Network. Eggnog? Yeah.
Oh, come on! Guys, come on!
In the North Woods, the wardens are the law of the land.
We spend a lot of time taking care of abandoned wildlife, not doing so hot.
Here we go.
There.
We're not sure how many are down there.
So down from there. It's gonna take some work, but I'm gonna track them down. The puzzle's complete. We have an eyewitness. He's done.
North Woods Law. New episodes, Sundays at 8. Only on Animal Planet.
We're at the office of comedian Bill Engvall, whose fame skyrocketed with Jeff Foxworthy on the Blue Collar Comedy Tour. We're in the process of designing him a tank.
Now things just went from funny to seriously impossible.
The basic dead weight can't exceed 55 pounds per square foot.
It's not really a lot of weight.